Well, you always know the odds. It's always overwhelming to actually just be the finalist and to actually win the whole thing, to know that people are out there watching, looking at your projects, appreciating what you're thinking, appreciating what you're doing. So it's such a privilege, you know. South Africa is such a rich country in culture, and we actually try to do our best in architecture to actually exhibit those traits. So it's so unique, and it's such a privilege to actually have something out there so that people can actually enjoy. It's one of the few companies in South Africa who actually appreciate good architecture, so Corobrik is magnificent for allowing us to do this. Yeah, thank you.